DV200 Installation Guide. The DV200 should be placed near the perimeter's starting point, securely fastened to prevent any swaying. It is recommended to install it on a solid wall or bury it underground. Installation on the wall. Drill holes into the wall, and then install expansion bolts. Securely fasten the DV200 to the wall. The leading optical cable and the sensitive optical cable must be kept separate and should not be tied together. Both the leading optical cable and the sensitive cable must be securely fastened to prevent any sway caused by factors such as wind and rain. Route the leading optical cable into the equipment room and secure the sensitive cable to a wire mesh. Tap the perimeter's start where the sensitive cable begins, post DV200. Beside its start on the mesh, perform the first GPS mark here. Underground, dig a hole 50 cm in length, 35 cm in width, and 60 cm in depth. Place the DV200 in a waterproof plastic bag, ensuring the bag is fully closed. Place the DV200 into the hole and backfill the soil. From DV200, two cables extend, leading optical cable buried, to OTF, sensitive cable surfaced and fixed on a. Tap the starting point of the perimeter. The first GPS marking should be conducted at this point.